Welcome to the program on Certified Sourcing Expert. In current day education environment, there is no specific focus on purchasing related education, especially in India. In many product-based organizations, the major spend goes towards purchasing material. It can be even as high as 50% in the engineering organization, whereas it could be up to 20 or 25% in non-product based operations. There it could be a procurement of services. So it is essential that the professional involved in purchasing should have some knowledge, various tools and techniques used in effective performance of their profession. So we have come out with a complete end-to-end study of various topics in the purchasing process. We are going to start on P2P, procure to pay. What are the process involved and what is the time taken and what are the improvements which can be done in that area. Next, we are going to see on policies and procedure which can effectively help in the professional to address the workplace issues. We are also going to see on supplier relationship development, which is one of the neglected areas in most of the organizations. So what are the tools and techniques required for supplier relationship management? Then a topic on commodity strategy is being discussed. Next one is on supplier evaluation, how we are going to evaluate the performance of vendors. Then selecting a particular supplier, what are the criteria apart from the cost which you can choose in finalizing the vendor. Then ultimately purchasing professional are responsible for creating a world-class supply base. So what are the things to be considered in creating such a base? Then also currently the global has come as a tiny village, and global sourcing is also important. So you need to understand what are the different aspects relevant in global sourcing. Next one could be strategic cost management on a long term, how the cost can be managed, what are different ways in which it can be done. One of the important aspects for purchasing professional is negotiation. Though you need to save the cost to the company, at the same time it should be mutually beneficial. So this is where we talk about win-win negotiation. So what are the gains employed by negotiation professional in achieving this? Then comes the important aspect on contract management. What are the terms and conditions? What are the legal terms used? So you need to have some understanding on international sale of goods contract. Then some aspect related to law and ethics will also be discussed. In the recent time, the lean supply chain management is taking a center place. How effectively you can get the material just in time with the lower inventory. Then what are the different way in which you can procure services, which is a different area. And also capital goods requires a special knowledge. Then finally we are going to see the metrics related to the profession. Ultimately we are going to see what will be the future for purchasing. In fact, it's going to undergo a rapid change, and we are going to become a direct face for the customer in future. So request those interested entering in the supply chain use this opportunity to learn purchasing through our program, which is very detailed, and I am going to do this program based on my experience in the field. Thanks for watching. Bye.